Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use Autods for Shopify dropshipping. So first step is to create an account on Autods. Account. Sign up on AutoDS and connect your Shopify store. After that, simply set up your store. Choose suppliers, for example, AliExpress, One and Walmart, and then add them to AutoDS. Next is to import products. Find and import products to your Shopify store directly from AutoDS. So you need to import your products from AutoDS to your Shopify. Next is to set up automated price adjustment and stock level updates to keep products in sync with suppliers. So you need to set up an automated price adjustment and stock level updates, so your products will be in sync with your suppliers. Next is automate order fulfillment. AutoDS automatically processes orders and updates tracking information to your customers. Next, optimize profit margins. Set price rules and monitor product performance to maintain profits. Next step is to monitor the performance. Use AutoDS Analytics to track sales, revenue, and product trends. Lastly is to scale your store. As your business grows, you can add more products and suppliers, automating processes for efficiency. And if you do all of that, you can now use Autods for Shopify dropshipping. And that's basically it.